Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to use the Liquify tool in Photoshop. First, go to the filter menu and select Liquify or open it with Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Use the open bracket and close bracket keys to increase or decrease the brush size. For basic Liquify work, select the first option on the top left of the Liquify window. The other options each have their own specific functions. To adjust the double chin, do the same by pushing it upward with Liquify. Just make sure not to overdo it, so the face still looks natural. And finally, you can check the result with the before and after comparison.